Good morning, everyone. Today's day 3. So Sunday. Gonna make some breakfast, and then we have cardio and abs day. But before that, since it's Sunday, we go to church, and then when we come back from church, we're gonna do cardio and some abs. All right. Stay tuned. Yeah, just got back from church. Good day.
Day 3.
Day 3. Gonna eat, change, and then do our cardio and some abs today. Always go to church on Sunday. It's important. Okay?
Today's a tough day for me. I was up at 5:45.
Yeah.
It was really hard for me to get up. I'm finding that my body's just feeling super tired. I couldn't keep my eyes open past 9 last night.
I'm tired, but I'm not tired.
Anyway, I didn't make my breakfast this morning, so I had Quest bars at church. Quest bars are one of my favorite to-go-to protein sources, and they taste pretty good for protein bars. 20 grams of protein, and the net carbs is only 5 grams, so they're perfect for a diet and on the go. And we're gonna go feed the kids and enjoy the rest of our Sunday.
Hey everyone, Sunday afternoon. I know I said I'll post everything about this process. Today was a little tired and I was craving, and even after church I came and dropped kids off and I took a quick nap. I was really tired, and I noticed the carb withdrawal, changing diet, being consistent. So it's a process, and I was supposed to do cardio and I was struggling, and then finally I said, okay, you know what? I gotta do it. So as you see, I'm all geared up and got my Enos, and I still feel tired, but we have to do this, okay? So this is part of the process. This is what happens when you start something new. Your body doesn't want to do that, and you get the challenge, but it's in your head, you know? So once you start moving, you feel better. And I know, like, once I start doing my abs and, or my cardio, I'll feel better. So get up and move, all right? Let's go.
We got bombarded by a thunderstorm and the power went out, which meant our treadmills also went out. The good news is that the ellipticals still work and they don't require electricity to be working. Yay! So we still got it in.
Post-workout shake. Same thing. I'm gonna make scallop for dinner. Scallop and lettuce. Okay. You don't need a lot of stuff for scallop. I just put some salt. Olive oil spray. And the pan has to be really hot so you can hear the sizzling. Now you know it's good. All right. Some of them is not. You want this to be crispy, yeah, but we can come back to that. Hey, time is right now 11:04 p.m. I was really hungry. I was craving carbs. But I know I can't sleep if I'm hungry, so I figured I eat something. 1 cup of chicken, the ground chicken that I made earlier. Just gonna dump this in here. So that should do the trick. This is it. You get hungry. If you don't eat, you're gonna end up cheating. So make sure you eat what you're supposed to eat. All right.